Hello Saints and Aims, welcome back to my channel. This is by AJ TV. I am by AJ, you guessed it. And this episode is going to be some tips and just some information on how to not go insane during this lockdown while we're in quarantine. So if you are looking for those tips and tricks, then just continue watching this video. Okay. And if you watched my previous video, you already know why I have this napkin. I have year-round allergies, and yeah, my eye running this water just won't let me be great. So just, yeah, don't mind that. But anyway, let's get into the first tip of how I am not going insane. Basically, I have to do this anyway, but I work from home. I was lucky enough or blessed enough to continue my job from working from home, and I have to clock in at 8 o'clock. So I'll try to just get up in enough time to clock in, get started, brush my teeth and all that, right? But I decided that, hey, you sound dead on the phone when you're working. Throughout the day, you're even more tired because you're just getting up and just going straight to work. So what I decided was I was gonna wake up a little earlier. So instead of waking up at like 7:45 to clock in at 8 o'clock, I wake up at like either 7:30 or sometimes even 7:15, and I actually get up, wake up, and go fix some breakfast. I may try to do a few stretches. I haven't made it to exercises yet, but we're getting there. Amen, amen. So yeah, I just try to, actually get up and be awake, fully awake, before I just jump into trying to work. Because the difference that I noticed is that, I don't know, I just seem more alive. I'm more energized throughout the day. I'm more positive throughout the day. It changed my life, okay? So tip number 2, what I would also recommend is to still get up and, brush your hair, do your eyebrow. You don't even have to do a full face of makeup, because trust me, the only reason I have this much on is to be before my saints and aims here, okay? But that's my son trying to get in the room because I locked him out because he was howling. So he'll be all right. But anyway, so yes, tip number 2, still try to get up and brush your hair, comb your hair. If you don't want to put on a full face of makeup, you can do your eyebrows, do some mascara, some lip gloss. Speaking of lip gloss, if you haven't already, go ahead and cop my new lip gloss. Well, it's not that new, but just go to buy-aj.com/delicious-by-aj. I know it's a bit much, but just go ahead and go to that. Click on the lips to shop. And then, of course, you can just scroll down until you see my Clearly Vanilla Lip Gloss. I'm telling you, this baby is not sticky, but it still gives you that shine that you want, okay? And guess what? It's only $10. So go ahead, and you can even go to our Instagram, Delicious by AJ. There you go. Gloss or chapstick, whatever you prefer. Of course, shower. You should be showering every day, if not twice a day, but at least once a day anyway. But of course, shower. Still put your less expensive perfume on, because you're not going to be wasting these $100, $200 bottles on staying at home, right? I understand. So you have those lesser expensive bottles of perfume you can spray on. Just spray, a little bit so you can smell good, feel good throughout the day, right? You might as well, especially if you got a boyfriend or live with your boyfriend, fiance, husband. He gonna get tired of you walking around looking like a ragamuffin, okay? Because mine got tired of me. So I'm only telling y'all what I am doing and what helped me to feel better while on this quarantine, okay? So that was that tip there. Tip number 3 is set some time away, especially if you're working from home, or if you're still, even if you're still working for yourself, have your own business and everything and working from home, you want to make sure you set time away for yourself. Like no husband, no boyfriend, no kids, no TV, no phone, nothing. Just set time away from yourself. Sit down, meditate, and just think about things you're grateful for. You can be as minimal as 15 minutes. You know what I mean? 10 minutes. Just sit, relax. You can even light your little candles if you want to. You can, you know, burn some incense. You can, what else do I do? That's really it, honestly. But, you know, just sit and take a moment and think like, girl, it could be worse. It could be worse. You better be grateful, okay? And I'm sorry if y'all can hear my son. Hold on one second. All right, I'm back. So, you want to say hi? Come here. And you got peanut butter on his shoulder. Say hi to the people. Say hi. Hi. Hi, people. Hi, people. Okay. So. What's the money? Huh? What is this? So. I'm making a video. Sweetheart. I said a video? Yes, you gotta be quiet, okay? Okay. Yes, I'm making a video. Be quiet. All right, I'm back. Thank you so much for your patience. So, as I was saying, you know, that was tip number 3. You just want to sit and meditate in a quiet space where you don't have any interruptions, and just meditate and think back on your, you know, what you're grateful for. You don't even have to think back. Think now. Like you're still living to watch this video. You know, you're still living to be around whoever you're around, and just, you're in the land of the living. There's people dying every single day, and I, you know, thank God that I'm a part of the land of the living. I pray for those who are sick and losing their lives, because it's a crazy time right now. But we have to sit and meditate and focus on the positive, okay? You don't want to be focused on all the negativity that's going on. It's only going to worsen or dampen your mind. You know, it's only going to, you know, bring that negative energy and just mess you up. It's too much negativity going on. So you bring that positivity, you bring that positive energy, and I promise you, you will feel better throughout the day. Tip number 4 is something that I do whether it's crazy or not, which is eat healthy snacks. I don't know about y'all, but food makes me happy. Now, you want to make sure you eat healthy snacks if you want to snack and everything throughout the day, because we're not gonna walk around and eating all this food during this lockdown and then come out when we free and we look like Respucia. We're not gonna do that, okay? We're not gonna do that. So just eat some healthy snacks and drink plenty of water. Take your vitamins. Make sure you, you know, take all the vitamins that you need throughout the day, and it will help your energy. It will help how you feel. Y'all about to witness a BMW, a black mama whooping, because he, boy. But anyway, eat healthy snacks throughout the day. Eating just satisfies my soul, but I have to, if I'm going to do that, I want to make sure I'm eating something healthy, because I don't want to get into the habit of eating just junk food and then I'm Respucia when we come out of this, you know what I mean? So eat healthy snacks, drink plenty of water. If you love juice, make sure it's 100% juice. Something that I realized, even though it may say 100% juice, it's still not always that. The best type of, I don't know, I see it in mostly apple juice and orange juice. The best type of apple juice and orange juice is 100% juice, and then 2, not from concentrate. So just a little bonus tip there. But yeah, those are my ways that I've been coping with this lockdown, and you know, just not going insane while I'm trying to be a wife, a mom, a business owner, a employee still for my regular 9 to 5, just trying to balance all of that. Those are the tips that I do that has helped me, and I hope they help you as well. So thank you for watching this video, and if you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe. I'm gonna wipe my eye. Please make sure to subscribe, like, and share, and also don't forget to click the notification bell so that you can know all the times that I upload. I'm trying to get to a schedule of at least 2 videos per week. Y'all pray with me on that. The Lord's working it out, okay? So again, make sure you subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will talk to y'all later. Deuces.